What's inside my garden?
Fruiting strawberry. So this is potted and vertical pot. So pwede rin ito sa big pots, no? Na kaya nyo ilagay siya sa ground. So we also have grow bag strawberry. Okay. And so not all of it I planted the strawberry. And we have early fruiting strawberry. So I just let this fruit right now, and eventually they will fruit more in the coming days. Okay, this is Australian beach cherry. Okay, it's fruiting right now, so usually this is fruiting every summer. Oops, so there's still small fruitlets, so yeah, I hope this will become big fruits in the coming days. Okay, so these are our fig fruitlets. So this is the first fruit of one of this variety. So this is easy to grow, easy to manage, can be grown in tropical climate. Okay, so we have here flowers from one of our succulents and yellow flower. So I did not expect this to flower, but this is good for now. Just let them become flowers. Okay, next is our jabuticaba tree. So this is now a bigger tree. So if you can see, oh, so I just put it in the potted container and it's already almost 2 years old. So I'm not so sure if this is from seeds or what, but I acquired it from a local seller. So I hope this will fruit someday. So this is one of our rarest variety, the jabuticaba or the Brazilian grape tree. It's one of our acerola fruit. It's not yet ripe. Okay, but this is a very nice variety. It fruits whole year round. So I think I see another line of fruits in there. Just don't know if we can zoom in. Whoops. So there's a green, 3 pieces green cereal fruit. Okay. So it's heavily fruiting. Fruiting here whole year round. So this is one of my favorite fruit. So even in summer and rainy season, it's still fruiting. So yeah. So you can use this plant, the acerola cherry, to be able to use them in like shaded plants, you know, if you are having a very sunny place, so you can use this as a shading plant, you know? So this is 3 years old acerola tree. So next is our Pakistan mulberry tree. It is season right now, so it's heavily fruiting. So I only pruned this plant 2 years ago. Right now I haven't pruned it and it's heavily fruiting. If you can see at the tip of that plant, so there's a bunch of berries, the long berries there. Okay. Okay. So I'm expecting this to fruit whole summer. And here we have our mulberry plant, still very small in a small seedling bag, and it's fruiting. This is a small fruit right now. So this is still very young, less than 2 months old, but it's already fruiting. And this is how good our mulberry trees are. They're fruiting even a very younger even if they are still very young. Also have our Hass avocado grafted plant, certified Hass avocado. So this is almost 1 year from grafting, so you can already plant this right in your farm. So if you are interested, please message me if you want to buy our certified Hass avocado from USA. So this is one of our favorite flowers, so they help us get a lot of bees in the garden. Okay, so we have here our date seedlings, so they can grow in our climate. So I planted this 4 months ago. This is still very small in a very small seedling bag. So this is dates. So maganda po to pang ano, pang landscape. We have a little fruit, a cerola cherry in a very small pot or seedling bag. So it's fruiting. So this is a very good indication that the tree will really give more fruits in the future. So a cerola cherry. So this is still unripe. So it's normally sour. When it is ripe, it's sweet and delicious and very nutritious as well. So we also have our newly acquired red pomegranate. So soon this will have a big fruit. And there are 3 varieties right now. So I think this will give us more fruits in the summer season. So pomegranate, it's a very healthy fruit. So I have here my almost 1 year old apple tree, apple plant. So this is already owned by somebody. This is 1 year old, fully rooted Fuji apple. So ever wonder if we can grow them here? Yes, we can. And even a very hot climate, they can grow here. So this is my 1 year old Fuji apple plant. Alright, so that's it for today on my garden. So just a short visit to see and to give you a glimpse of what I have. And there are still more plants I haven't spoke or introduced yet in my garden, but soon this will be available for those who are willing to collect. Okay, thank you for watching and have a great day.